Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Candace Hampton, Ray Young, Pixie Ray MUA, The Curvy Cuban, The Daily Dose of Sarah O, Shelly, and Tara Beauty 36. We picked Spring Goth as our theme because World Goth Day is on May 22nd. I'll link all of their channels down below. The eye look today is a recreation from Ashley Hall Makeup on Instagram, and I'll link her channel down below too. The first thing I'm going to use is my Morphe concealer in white. And I'm going to use a Farrah 35E brush to spread it out. With my Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette on a small angled brush, I'm going to take my right tear and brush it through my brows. Then I'm going to take my right tear again on a JH38 brush from Morphe, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid and into my crease. Now I'm going to take Not a Fact on a JH45 brush and blend it into the black shade. Now I'm going to take My Pills on a JS6 brush from Morphe and blend out Not a Fact. Using some micellar water on a Q-tip, I'm going to cut my crease. Then I'm going to apply my Morphe concealer with the JS14 brush to my crease. I'm going to smooth my base out with the flat Morphe concealer brush. Then with a JH48 brush, I'm going to apply Trisha all over to my lid. And for mascara, I'll be using the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button.